Hi, this is Kevin with Advanced Leather Solutions. We are looking at a Rhino that is clearly a facsimile of a Rhino. It's made of leather. It's approximately 60 years old. It's stuffed with straw and has seen a fair amount of use in its lifetime, and we're looking pretty ratty. And so our objective is to do what we can to bring this Rhino back to life. The most significant area of damage is its horn. The horn literally was falling off, and so we had to create a base of material inside, which gives it some support. That wasn't there originally, but now what we have is a strut inside that's going to hold that horn in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the damage control all the way around the edges. But you can see there's damage everywhere on this piece. Our goal is to bring this back to life again. Well, here's the Rhino in its completed state. You'll notice that we were able to reattach the horn, and it looks like it was never off. We've got a spindle in there that is helping to support it. We have reattached its eyes. We have done the necessary work on the frame of the Rhino to bring it back to reasonable condition. You notice that we've added the tail. And so the Rhino is now back into serviceable condition. Everything is the way it's supposed to be. Another project from Advanced Leather Solutions that sort of extends the skill set of leather restoration work. Any questions, you give us a call at 510-786-6059. Thank you.